Hi everyone, good evening. So murag late na jud mi sa trend nga Dubai chocolate. So kaganiha nakakita ko og kani nga chocolate sa TJ Maxx kay strip mall na siya dinhi sa America. So nakita na ko ni barato na. So mo to anak ko nga, sige, i-try na to. So karon i-try na mo kami tulo si Julia apil sa daw. Mama. So, napayad na ko na ganiha ako, $9.99, so $10 basically. Pero, barato na ni siya, uban, para, compare sa uban nga store. Nya, murag dako pag yun. Okay, let's see.
You should take a shower. Yes or no?
Not today, because we
This one's all
were
pinky.
running errands all over the place. So, morning siya yung tsura. Ako na siyang giputang sa fridge ganiha kay para dili siya mag-melt. Look at her face. It's like, oh, it's wood. Let's see. Ooh, sumo na siya. Oh, tanawa. Dubai, choo-choo.
Was this done before Iran hit them with missiles and they did nothing, or after?
Yes, before. It's been trending since last year.
It's been trending. Okay. All right.
I never get a chance to try this
What's in
one.
the inside?
So the inside is Kadaifi, I don't know, something like that.
Listen,
with
it's almost 2
pistachio
minutes.
cream. It's okay. Come on, let's try it. Here you go.
That'd be good, Dubai.
Cheers! Cheers!
Oh, not bad. You're gonna give her a little microscopic thing.
Yeah. So Julian is gonna try too. It's a little bit, Mama. Mami siya, ang kasulod niya, mura lang siya wafer. Crispy,
wafy.
right?
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. More to. What do you think? Good? Yeah, not bad. Marto, bye! Bye, Julia.
Oh.